Chapter 13 Geometry 2. Welcome to Coordinate Geometry. And today we are building the foundation how the coordinate plane works, how to compute distances, midpoints, and how to divide a line segment in a given ratio. These are extremely common in LCAT style. So let's begin. We work on XY plane where X axis is horizontal and Y axis vertical. And the origin is 0, comma 0 in the center. Any point is written as the x component, comma y component, where x is the horizontal position and y is the vertical position. You already know this, right? But what matters is how to use these coordinates to calculate distance, midpoint, slope, and more. Distance formula. Suppose we have 2 points A and P. The distance between them is represented by this. And this comes directly from Pythagoras, but that's another deeper knowledge. Uh, for example, what is distance? In this case, it would be since the square of a negative number is positive. Now, whenever you have a square root, you have two answers, positive and negative. But in the case of distance, a negative distance is not defined and does not make sense. That's why you ignore the negative value and you always have the positive result, which is 5 for this case. Midpoint. Again, the same points. The midpoint would be for example, then midpoint. First need to add the entries and then simplify 4, 7. Now, if a point P divides AB in the ratio, it's called a section formula. So this is a line AB and the point P divides into the ratio of M and N. Then the point P would be comma where x1, y1 are points A and x2, y2 equal P. Let's solve one example. So and let's say the ratio is 1:2. Therefore, by using this formula, the M is 1, x2 is 0, N is 2 because the ratio is 1:2, M is 1 and N is 2. Alright, so therefore, and the same for the Y. Uh, and after simplification, the point is 2/3, 4. Oh, so it was M times x2. So I made a mistake here. M was 1 and x2 was the point of B, which was 6. And the same for the other side. M y2. So M is the 1. Y2 is the point of B, which is 12. And then you have a 0 because obviously y1 is 0. So the answer comes out to be 2, 4. So in this part, you learn distance formula, midpoint formula, section formula, and how to quickly compute geometric quantities. In the next part, we'll move to slopes, line, and equations of line.